What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to break down all of the available modes and functions on your RockPAR50 par can wash light. So to access any of these modes, you're going to look at these buttons here underneath the LCD display. First, you'll see this mode button here, which allows you to switch between the different modes available. Right next to that, you have the up and down buttons to cycle between the different settings. And then we have the enter button to save our changes. So let's go through all of these different modes right now. So first up, we have the 3-channel DMX mode, which allows us to use 3 channels with our DMX controller. And then from there, we can use the up and down buttons to set the DMX address in this mode. And then we can press enter to save our changes. After that, we have the 6-channel DMX mode, which allows us to use 6 channels on our DMX controller. And from there, we can use the up and down buttons to set the DMX address and press enter to save. Later on, we're gonna go over the difference between the 3-channel and the 6-channel mode. Next, we have the color change mode, where the light will automatically cycle between different colors. On this mode, we can use the up and down buttons to set the speed of the color change. So for example, if I use the up button, you'll see that the color changes a lot faster. And if I use the down button, we can slow down the color change. Then from there, we can press enter to save. The cool thing is, after we press enter, the light's gonna remember the last save we made. So if we were to unplug the light and plug it back in, it's automatically gonna go to the last mode that we press enter with. Next up, we have the color fade mode, where the light will fade between each color. And just like in the last mode, we can use the up and down buttons to set the speed of the fade. So if I use the up button, we can make it faster. And if we use the down button, we can make it slower. Next, we have the color strobe mode, where the light will strobe between each color. We can use the up and down buttons to set the speed of the strobe, and the enter button to save our change. Next up, we have the sound mode, where the light will automatically change as it picks up sound. As you can see, it's changing color by picking up my voice, and even if I clap, you'll see that it changes as well. Next, we have 3 different modes for the red, green, and blue LEDs, so we can make a fully customized color. So for example, we have the red LED mode here. So from here, we can use the up and down buttons to set how much red comes through. So if I hold down the up button, you'll see that more red comes through our light. Then I can press enter to save it. Then I can press the mode button to go to the green LED mode and do the exact same thing and set how much green I want to have come through. Press enter to save, and then press the menu button to go to the blue LED mode. Use the up and down buttons to set how much blue I want to have come through. Press enter to save, and now as you can see, we have a fully customized color. And with that customized color, we can press the mode button to enter the strobe mode. From there, we can use the up and down buttons to set the speed of the strobe and press enter to save. Next up, we have the color pulse mode, where the light will pulse between each color. From there, we can use the up and down buttons to set the speed of the pulse and press the enter button to save it. So hopefully this showed you guys what each mode and function does on your RockPAR50. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.